Lymphatic System and Other Body Defenses by Megan Sufer
and Nick Widener.
The relation between the lymphatic and the cardiovascular systems. The cardiovascular system moves blood, cells, and lymphocytes around the lymphatic system. The blood will enter the lymphatic system and the bad red blood cells, white blood cells, or lymphocytes will be killed and removed from the system. The relation between the lymphatic and the immune system. The lymphatic and the immune system share some of the same organs. They both help each other out by removing harmful cells that the other is not designed to remove.
Major structures of the lymphatic system. Lymphatic vessels. The lymphatic vessels pick up lymph and return it to the blood. They are similar to blood vessels, but they carry lymph. Their pathways are also similar to blood vessels. Lymph nodes. The lymph nodes help protect the body by removing unfamiliar materials like bacteria and tumor cells from the lymphatic stream. They also produce lymphocytes that help the immune response. The formation and transportation of lymph. Lymph begins as fluid that remains in the tissue after blood exchanges nutrients, waste, and gases, and then becomes interstitial fluid. This fluid, along with any blood plasma, must be returned to the blood in order for the vascular system to function properly. This fluid is called lymph. Lymph is picked up by lymphatic capillaries, travels through the connective vessels, through the lymph nodes, and to the bloodstream, through either the right lymphatic duct or the thoracic duct. Lymph is picked up in the lymphatic capillaries, travels through the lymph nodes, through the lymphatic vessels, and into the heart.
The function of the lymph nodes. The primary function of the lymph nodes is to make lymphocytes. The secondary function is they filter out harmful cells and kill the harmful cells.
The protective function of skin and mucous membranes. Skin. The skin forms a mechanical barrier that prevents pathogens or other harmful substances from entering the body. It secreted acid to destroy bacteria and uses keratin to act as a solid shield. Mucus. There are many ways mucous membrane protects the body. It covers all the open air cavities, such as the oral or nasal cavity, and other cavities connected to open air cavities, such as the stomach, and uses special enzymes and acid to destroy microorganisms and pathogens. Natural killer cells. Natural killer cells travel around in blood and lymph. They are aggressive lymphocytes that search for and kill cancer cells, virus-infected body cells, and some other targets before the rest of the immune system can act. They are not specific about what types of cells they attack, unlike lymphocytes.
Inflammatory process. The inflammatory process is a tissue reaction to an injury or an antigen. That may include pain, swelling, itching, redness, heat, and loss of function. The response may involve dilation of blood vessels and consequent leaking of fluid, causing edema and release the plasma protease.
Antimicrobial substances produced by the body. Mucus is in respiratory and the digestive tracts. Gastric juice in stomach. Lacrimal secretion and saliva in eyes and in mouth. Acid and sebum on skin. Interferons protect uninfected cells. Complement intensify inflammatory response. Fluids and acid pH. Inhibits bacterial growth. Keratin acts as a shield.
How does the fever protect the body? The fever protects the body by killing the harmful cells at high heat. And sometimes, in serious conditions, the body can start to overheat, killing good cells along with the bad ones. The importance of phagocytes. Phagocytes are cells that protect the body by ingesting harmful foreign particles, bacteria, and dead or dying cells.